And very beautiful, our 18th birthday girl, Giselle! Birthday girl, who's always been very happy for tonight. Oh, welcome. Ang napakaganda at talaga ng mga, as they say, very smart, very talented, ang ating damit na Giselle! Alright, thank you so much everybody. Bigyan naman natin ng malakas na palakpakan ang ating birthday girl, the very beautiful Giselle. Yes! Hi Giselle! Happy 18th birthday! I'm sure you're very happy. And of course kami din, kanina ka pa namin hinihintay talaga. And grabe, kanina medyo nag-share na rin sila ng stories nila. And isa sa mga interview namin kanina is si Melissa. And si Melissa, ang sabi ni Melissa that you are a very talented, talagang very smart, diba? Grabe, literal na beauty and brains daw. Pero mga stories about, okay, sa ating birthday girl na si Giselle. But for now, Giselle, okay, pwede ka nang umupo sa iyong birthday chair. Again, let's give a big round of applause to Giselle. Alright, we are very glad na nandito tayo sa napaka-special na gabing ito para kay Giselle. Pero para tuluyang i-bless ang ating event for tonight, may I request everybody to please stand up. Okay, tayo po tayong lahat and maybe. Alright, so
to do our dance for tonight. Ang first step daw natin ay tinatawag daw po natin simento. Alright, so simento. So paano daw gagawin yung simento? We will do the simento like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that's 8 counts. That's the first step. Ang second step natin is ang tatawagin naman natin hammer. So how to do the hammer? Okay, we will do the hammer like this. Ang galing ni ma'am. You're right, right. Okay, we will do the hammer like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And ang next step natin we will...
And Martin Young! Go ahead, Eugene! Hey!
But I love you still. I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start.
And let's sing!
Build me up, but don't break my heart.
Oh, may second round pa yan. Clap your hands, everybody. Go!
Cause there's no hard thing to the joy you bring. I wanna give you all my love. My love is yours. That's all I wanna do.
That's our videos and photos.
Baby, there's no need to tell you. Sure as I can feel it cold, my love is with you for you. You don't have to worry at all. I'll sacrifice my time.
Candle metals here sa ating pong candle holder. So they will not be disturbed later on as they give their birthday messages and the well wishes for Giselle. Maraming Giselle. And now, alright, so this time, let's all welcome our first candle to give her message for Giselle, ang the fashionista grandmother daw, and also
I mean, basta yun, alam mo naman kung mataas yung pangarap ni Mami sa'yo. Dahil alam mo kung buhay si Papa.
Hindi, ano ba? Hindi po kami similar ng mga interest, pero nagkasundo po kami kasi pareho kami ng views and opinions sa buhay, sa mga nangyayari ko situations. Gusto ko lang pong sabihin na si Giselle po kahit sobrang galing, napaka-humble, tsaka napaka-ball. Talagang hindi siya natakot magsalita. Diba? Tsaka ang isa pang bagay ko na hinahangaan ko kay Giselle kasi kahit madaling araw na, we talk kapag madaling araw kasi we tend to talk about things na nagbabother sa isa't isa or we help a friend. Yun, sobrang genuine po ni Giselle kasi may nasave po siyang friend namin from depression. That's sobrang proud ako sa kanya. Hindi ko po i-name siya. Gusto kong sabihin na I'm so proud of the person na nakilala ko and I know na in the future you're gonna be so good. Yeah, lahat ko na magiging proud sa'yo. Not to like put pressure on you. Yun lang. I love you and I wish you the happiest birthday.
Yes, thank you so much.
Alam naman natin, our friendship is unexpected. Masyado kasi malayo yung mundo ng Newton sa mundo ng Einstein at feeling ko rin masungit ka, which is totoo naman. Kaya hindi ko nakaalala magiging kakawis kita. Nagulat na lang ako one day, tontuwa ka na sa akin. Tapos lapit sa akin. Dahil sa kalutanan ko. Ayun, I'm very happy na naging kaklase kita nung grade 8. Kasi anytime na mas You're a very competitive and brave girl and I'm the other way. Nakakamiss din yung dance skills mo at yung talino mo, baka gusto mo mag-share. Walang kinakailangan sa akin. Alam ko nakaka-stress ang school, pero okay lang yun kasi andito naman ako. Siguro ka
Paano tayo naging close, di ba? Kasi yung unang-una po na nag-grade 9 yata tayo, di ba? Grade 9 lang po kami naging magkaklase, then yung mga past years po no, ng mga grade 7, grade 8 kami. Hindi ko po na-expect na maging close po talaga to kasi tayo ng personality ko sa kanya. And syempre, sabi nga rin Denise, masungit ka nun, diba? Kaya, di ko rin talaga in-expect magiging kaklase kita. And then, doon, nung sa Pascal na tuwing may exams, number time, dalawa yung nag-choreograph. And, gusto ko lang sabihin na ina-admire ko yung galing mo sa pagsasayaw. Syempre, iba yung matagal, parang iba yung style mo, iba yung style mo. Pero kapag nagsama, boom. Joke lang. And then, though minsan, kung sinasabi mong human microphone, but minsan nagagalit ka doon, diba? Kapag ang taas ng boses ko, and then siya, sabihin niya, uy, Christy, ang taas ng boses mo. Ganun siya sa akin. And then, minsan naman po kapag may group works, ganun, minsan hindi tugma yung ideas namin. Pero sa una, syempre po, nananaig po yung friendship ko. Ayan, stay pretty, talented, and smart as you are. Wala na rin ako may healing for you dahil seems na sa'yo ng lahat. And sinasabi nila lahat yan. But I'm still wishing for you your genuine happiness, healthy body, and I'm rooting for your success. Once again, happy birthday. I love you, and kabadings are always here for you.
Right, that would be Miss Gracelyn Rivera.
So ayun, G, my dance partner, my artist, happy birthday. Meeting you was a blast talaga. Tsaka gaya na sabi nila, it's unexpected. Hindi, kasi hindi tayo magkaklase since grade 8, pero yung core memory natin since grade 9. Pero yung core memory natin is yung nag-teacher tayo, kaya hindi tayo magka-team ng grade 8. I wish and hope you a future with a lot of opportunities. Kaya na rin nasabi ng friend mo kanina, you're very gifted. And you keep honing your skills, kaya I'm very proud of what you achieved. Tsaka dapat ikaw din, kasi alam ko kung ano yung efforts na kikitin mo to get this far. I'm glad that we handle each other. Nakita natin yung growth ng isa't isa throughout the years, or throughout the months. Pero ayun, we made a lot of memories, and we're going to make more ngayong ka na, and pwede na tayo. After this night ends, bagong journey na, but keep your chin up. Magiging rough man, pero makayanin. You have me, you have us.
Happy birthday, more birthdays to come. Kaya sana pagpalain ka balikan. Tapos pangalawa, magbago ka na, tapos stay what you are. Pili ka na lang kung ano gusto mo gawin doon. Tapos pangatlo, ang ganda mo. Kahit hindi mo birthday, ang ganda mo. Always, every day, every night, every second of your life. Tapos magpatuloy mo yung pagsasayaw, tsaka magsasalitahan mo. Pang-apat, wala na akong masabi. Ingat ka na lang siguro. Yung dito, ingat ka lagi, keep safe.
Wow, thank you so much. That's Lira Bolo on air.
Since grade 9, last pagkikita. So, mag-wish na lang ako. Wish ko sana patuloy mong magawa yung mga bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo. Abutin mo yung mga pangarap mo at patuloy kang maging inspirasyon sa ibang tao. Okay, no?
Sabi ko dyan, siguro lahat na alam ko siya niya. Yun, dalaga ka na. Pero kumain, enjoy ka lang. Enjoy mo lang yung lawan mo, di ko alam. Yan mo muna yung pangarap ni Mami para sa'yo. Pero paano, alam ko naman na, na hindi ka agad na, dahil alam ko mas priority mo talaga sa kanya, di ba? So, wish na yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Okay, kung nandito nga naman si Sampo, si lolo mo, kurado, tuwa si Sampo nito dahil ang kanyang kaisa-isang prinsesa at laging pinagmamalaki ng Legazpi. Ako, si Giselle. Pero siguro kahit wala dito si Popsi, nakikita ka niya, natutuwa para sa'yo. Dahil dalagang-dalaga ng kanyang abo. So, wish ko na happy birthday and kabait. Okay, thank you.
Oh my God. Si Giselle po ay student ko when she was 3 years old. Mga previous teachers as well as your classmates, schoolmates, sila Abby. We're always proud of you. And I wish you, wait lang I wish you, Giselle, with that candle. I'm praying for your strength.
Our 18 roses. Alright, once again, let's give give a big hand to our debutant na si Giselle. Alright, Giselle, it's now your turn to dance with this, of course, ang mga nagkagwapuan nating guys tonight para sa ating 18 Roses. Hindi na natin patatagalin pa. Let's call on our first Roses. Alright, our first rose is a daddy figure, the spoiler daw ng ating debutant. At syempre, ang coolest tito. Okay, ang kakampi daw ni Mami when she get pissed off. The dark but handsome tito. Well, sino kaya ang dark and handsome tito na yan? Ang Julio Diaz lookalike. Please all welcome, Tito John Orse. Labot ng kolehiyala. Sino kaya yan? We have Tito Carlo Legazpi. Yon! Once again, here on stage, we have Tito Carlo Legazpi. Alright, thank you so much, sir. Stay there. Dahil sasalubungin naman natin ang ating third Roses, one of the cutest cousins daw, ang, as described here, ang debutant's body. Talaga namang body-body ni Giselle, at syempre ang kanyang best friend during childhood days. Please all welcome our third Roses. We have Carl Christoph Legazpi. Thank you so much, Tito Carlo. This time, we'll be having our third Roses, none other than Carl Christoph Legazpi. Thank you so much. Stay there, Christoph, dahil sasalubungin naman natin ang ating four Roses. Siya naman, well, one of the Tito Super... Dito maglalaro sila. Yes, there you go. We are here on the floor. We have Kyle Sebastian Reyes, our fifth Roses. Alright, from cousin to another cousin then. Okay, who will join us tonight? Ay, the cousin is ang pinaka-weird daw, no? Kaya laging hindi nawawalan ng tanong at sagot sa mga usapin. Let's all welcome our six Roses Prince, Albert Legazpi. Thank you so much, Kai. Alright, hi, Prince. Alright, we have here our six Roses. We have Prince Albert Legazpi. Prince Albert Legazpi. Well, another Prince then. habulin din daw to ng chicks ha. And take notes, he love ketchup at magaling din gumawa ng different sauces. Let's all welcome ang John Lloyd Cruz ng Antipolo City. We have Tito Kenneth Lozano. Yon! Ingat. Ayan, paribo po ng master. Yon, once again here on stage, John Lloyd Cruz ng Antipolo City. We have Tito Kenneth Lozano. Wala ko may siga eh. Alright, here on stage, dancing at the dance floor, we have our Night Roses, we have Prince Gian Lozano. And now, please all welcome our 60 Roses, ang kuya figure naman ni Giselle. Very reliable at syempre very gentleman. We have our 60 Roses, Ryan Sampaga. Once again here on the dance floor, our 16 Roses. Okay, we have Sir Ryan Sampaga. And now, please all welcome our 17 Roses, a future neurosurgeon naman. Okay, and of course, who will join us tonight, one of the debutants' best friends. We have Andrew Dumangas. Alright, once again here on stage, one of the best friends in Giselle, we have men. Let's all welcome Ramil Reyes. Mas maharot pa doon sa debut. Alright, once again here on stage, ayan of course one of the best friends also, we have here Ramil Reyes. Ambisyosa. Akala dibo niya. Alright. Yes, and of course, I would like to say thank you so much for our 18 special guys na talaga namang nakasama natin tonight for this very special 18 traditionals. Alright. So once again, let's give a big round of applause to our 18 candles, Ramil Reyes. And stay there, Ramil. May we call in once again here on stage ang ating pong 18 Roses for our photo op. Alright, maraming salamat po for all the boys na nakasama po natin for our Alright, thank you so much. Alright, and now Giselle. Happy birthday to you. Alright, before you blow your candle, thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Alright, and then if you're ready, you can now blow your candle. Yay! Alright, Giselle. Thank you so much, Giselle. Very second again, you can, kanina, nag-wish na rin ang ating 18 candles for you. So this is also the time to blow all the candles right enough dyan sa ating 18 na. Kaya ba, Giselle? Okay, one by one, ating naka-open the candle. Of course, that actually symbolizes that all your wishes and all your messages for you will do come true. Alright, blow the candle. Hi, sir, kayo. Ay, tinatago niyo pa yung number. Halika na sa picture mo tayo. Happy birthday, guys! Happy birthday! Ayan siya ang sasagot ng 50% ng balance mamaya. Alright, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, sir, you'll be joining here. Number 11. Okay. Yes, ito may gusto tayo para magkasya tayo. Yes, it's an easy game na. Papakilala po muna kayo ang each player. So this is kasi papakilala. All you have to do is mention your name. And of course, kung isa sandali, from the policy, you mention the policy. And of course, that's you will see sino po ang okay, it's going to be. Ipatagalan po ng isa. Alright, right down here, the center of the aisle. Yan po magpapakilala. Isipin nyo naman kung paano isa. And now, presenting our players. Every player number 1. Please all welcome. Applause to player number 2.
Ako po si Ang
Wala ko
Sampalin ko kayo. Okay, well, pero kailangan mo pa rin magbigay ng ninong artista na medyo kahawig mo.
Say hi.
Okay, guys, okay, the very beautiful player number. And of course, later on, we will meet our 18 gifts. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating 18 blue bills and 18 shots. Well, sino-sino kaya ang mga yan? Malalaman po natin as we go along sa ating second part ng ating program. But for now, enjoy eating everybody, and we're about to start the second part for
Smile. Baby, smile. Tingin. Baby.
We apologize and then we compromise. We haven't argued since. Remember, say stop playing games. Remember, say you fell in me. It felt to be the perfect time to start. You're a little late. I'm already done. So I guess the fortune teller's right. Should have seen just what was there, not some holy light. But you crawled beneath my veins, and now I don't get it. I have no look, I'm not missing much. There's just so many things that I can touch on touch. I'm running thing. This is how I feel. I'm holding up for shame, like naked on the floor. Illusion that can change into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky start. You were a little late, I'm already done.
Baby.
It's too hard.
She got big very smart, talented, and our superstar for tonight, our debutante Giselle.
Nag-practice ka na kanina eh. Well, yung gift ni Kitty kay ate ay alam namin na fan siya ng BTS.
BTS.
Yan, basta BTS. Sinisilip mo na. Mamaya mo lang silipin. Ayan. Basta may kinalaman yan sa BTS, ha?
Alright. Say happy birthday, Kirsten.
Happy birthday! Ayaw magsalita.
Ayan, bluetooth na lang ni Kirsten. Maraming salamat, Tita, and of course, Kirsten. And now, let's all welcome our 18th gifts. One of the debutants ay... 18 gifts! DJ, let's play! Go, Giselle! Go! Everybody dance! Energy! Yun! Sige! Isayaw nyo yan!
Happy birthday!
Sabihin mo, happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, Ate!
Bakit? Mabait ka kaibigan.
Kung maniligaw, andyan lang yan. Diba? Andyan lang, kung nandun lang kayo or wala kayo dito, magkantay kayo. Kasi kung gusto niyo talaga siya, pag-graduate niyo muna, pag-trabahuin niyo muna, and then bahala kayo sa buhay niyo, kung gusto ka talaga. Pero as of now, she's still a baby, bawal pa. Hindi naman bawal, ayaw din niya. Diba? May mga nag-comment sa likod kasi nung 18, nung debo ko daw, may boyfriend na ako. Kasi, di ba gusto mo mag-travel around the world, gusto mo mag-travel sa Japan, sa South Korea, you need to earn for it. Right? Magtrabaho ka, pursue mo yung dream mo. Kung ano man yan. Gusto ko sana siya mag-anesthesiologist, but it's up to her. It's really up to her. Kasi kahit i-push ko naman, kung ayaw mo, okay lang. Di ba? Kung saan ka maging masaya, just do your, give your best shot in everything. I'm so proud of you in everything you do. You deserve all of this. This party, the gifts. Huwag mo na ngayon, hindi kaya. She's still a baby. I know I'm not a perfect mother, but I'm trying to be a good one. Just for everyone's knowledge. Naiyak ako. Giselle is very understanding in every situation. I'm not a good mother. I'm not a perfect. But I'm trying to be a good one, as I said. Yung mga sitwasyon ko, hindi naman ako, kami dalawa, yung arrangement namin, hindi siya perfect. We haven't talaga. We have not, ayoko na sige. Basta yun, kung ano yung situation ngayon, kung ano yung arrangement, very understanding siya. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-explain. Basta ayun na lang, naiintindihan niya na. Hindi mo na kailangan ipaintindi sa kanya. Parang, ganun lang, gets ko na to. Ganun lang. So, just, be happy, fulfill all your dreams. Andito lang si Mami to support you all the way, and Tito John as well. So, can I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone for coming to this party? For Ninang Ruth, for the cake. I think ba yun? Thank you sa lahat for Nales family, Natibedad family, Ligasi family, friends of Giselle from elementary and high school, Teacher Chi and the parents, thank you guys. My friends as well, the Arcega family, thank you. Sa Jan side, thank you. Of course, my partner Jan, na super close ni Giselle na nag-spoil sa kanya na akong kalaban nila. Ngayon, sila magkakampi ako kalaban. Anyway, I love you, we love you. Tito John loves you. In everything you do, we'll be proud. I love you, baby. Thank you, guys.
Grabe yun.